So today I'm going to show you how to order a free Robinhood banking debit card. So we're actually here in the banking app in real time. There's a couple different ways to get to this section here, but the way we're going to go about it is scrolling down over here from the main page and seeing where it says checking. Let's go ahead and click on here. And in our checking here, we're just going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the very bottom. So you're going to see a section that says debit card. Now, this is going to be a virtual debit card that you get automatically, so you can actually view the details right now. But we're going to click down here where it says order a physical debit card. You can click on the words or the right-hand arrow. Now, from right over here, it says order a physical debit card. We're going to click continue here at the bottom. And from right over here, it's going to verify your residential address. If anything looks incorrect, click on update address. Otherwise, we're going to click on confirm. Now, right over here, you can see there are two shipping options. You have a free option with USPS, or you can have it quickly delivered if you need it faster with an additional fee. We're going to go with the free option here today and click on confirm. And one last step here, it is going to have a little pop-up for us verifying our address one last time. Everything here looks good. We're going to click on confirm and ship. All right, so from right over here, it is going to give you that estimated delivery date. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and click on done at the bottom. Now, of course, once that debit card comes in, you're going to want to make sure you activate it to be able to utilize it. And we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to show you how to activate your brand new Robinhood debit card.